Good morning, friends. Hope you are all doing well. Yes, today we are starting with question number 9. In the last class, we have completed question number 8. We have completed, right? So today we are moving with question number 9. And the 9th question says to us, Asta and Ahna are the partners in a firm. The balance sheet of their firm as on 31st March 2017 was as under. So let's see one of the first points how to do this particular sum. The first is the capital. So where we have to write, friends, capital part बोलो कहाँ लिखना है? Yes, capital we have to write in partners capital credit side. Clear? In the same way, workman compensation fund, that also same partners capital. Investment fluctuation fund, that is also partners capital. In absence of the investment is not there. If any point is there regarding some investment, this point will change now. Okay. Provident fund, it's a what? Liability. Bad debt reserve, directly we can deduct from debtor also, or we can write in the liability side also. Creditors, it's a current liability, that is the liability. Bills payable, liability. Goodwill we have to write off. What we have to do? We have to write off the goodwill among old partners. Land and building, machinery, investment, data, stock, right? These are all assets. From land and building, it's all what? Asset. Cash we have to do, cash we have to take in where? In cash account debit side. Advertisement campaign expenditure, where we have to write that one? That is the partners capital debit side. Profit and loss, that also partners capital debit side. Now comes the adjustment. They admitted Sonu as a new partner on 1/4/2017 as following reason. Sonu bring 80,000 as her capital and 7,200 as of share of goodwill in cash. Cash is there, so we have to find the sacrifice ratio. So friends, let's find the sacrifice ratio, related the point of goodwill and as well as the journal entry for that. The new ratio is 4:3:3 and goodwill is to be valued at 40,000. The claim of workman compensation is 3,200. So workman compensation point is there. So I put a tick mark here. Then it's the Ahana will take our investment at 19,200. The point is there of investment. Again take as well as in investment fluctuation fund. Okay. Already said both points are interconnected. Accrued interest on investment 2,400 is not recorded. That we have to do by ourselves. Accepted bills payable of 2,000 which is drawn by creditor is not recorded. We have accepted a bill payable which was drawn by creditors is not recorded. So we have to add in the bills payable and we have to deduct from the creditors. Clear? Creditors क्या हो जाएगा? कम हो जाएगा. Right? Book value of land and building is 20% less than its market value. Land and building, इसमें भी point है. Out of insurance premium paid, 4,800 is for the next year. अगले साल के लिए है. Okay. So prepare necessary account and balance sheet. So the first account that we have to prepare is a revaluation account. So give the heading revaluation account for the year ending 31st March 2017. Revaluation account for the ending 31st March 2017. The columns are debit and credit, and the columns are particulars, amount, rupees. Right, here also amount, rupees. Partners capital account, 3 partners are there. So who are the 3 partners? First of all, we should know that. Who are the three partners? Asta, Ahana and Sonu. So Asta known as A1, Ahana as A2 and S for Sonu. Asta, Ahana, Sonu. Cash bank account, debit and credit. And last comes balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Right. So friends, here the whole topic is there. So we are starting the sum. So first of all, we do some working. What is the working? The first thing we should know what is the sacrifice ratio. So please take your textbook also. I am also taking the textbooks. Without that, it's very difficult to solve the sum. So let's see. You can see in question number 8. Just 1 minute. Yes, the first thing I have to calculate is what? The sacrifice ratio. So let's see that. So my first working is calculation of sacrifice ratio. Calculation of sacrifice ratio. The first name will come Asta. Asta sacrifice ratio. So what is the Asta's old? Old ratio is not given to us. So 1:1, that is 1/2 minus, and what is the new ratio? That is 4/10. Right. So let's see, we can do the LCM. That is 2 5s are and 10 1s are. So 5 minus 4 upon 10, it comes 1/10. Right. Asta sacrifice. Number 2 comes Ahana sacrifice. A2 sacrifice. That also 1/2 minus 3/10. Clear? So LCM we are taking 10. So 5 minus 3 upon 10. 2/10. We can do by cross multiply also. That is not a problem. So the sacrifice ratio comes to us 1:2. And you know what is the main purpose of finding sacrifice ratio? The main purpose of finding the sacrifice ratio is for goodwill. Right? ये हो गया. Now the point is that what is the point now related to goodwill? So the second working we are taking is goodwill. So what is the total goodwill? Total goodwill comes to at 40,000. So we have to take Sonu's share in goodwill. Sonu's share is equal to 40,000 into 3/10. Calculate karo. Take the calci with you. 40,000 into 3 divided by 10. It comes 12,000, 12,000. From this 12,000, bringing how much in cash? 7,200. So what we can write? Sonu brings 7,200 in cash for goodwill. So the remaining part not bringing. So we have to write Sonu does not bring. Sonu does not bring how much? 12,000 minus 7,200. Minus 7,200. 4,800. Does not bring 4,800 in cash for goodwill. So we have to pass the journal entry for this particular. So first is for the cash. So let's see. First entry will be cash account debited to premium for goodwill. Cash account debited to premium for goodwill, and the amount comes to 7,200. Second entry we know it. Premium for goodwill account debited to A1's capital account to A2's capital account. 7200, which ratio? 1:2. So 7200 into 1 divided by 3. 2400 in A1's capital, while in A2 it comes 4800. Clear? So after that, what we can do is that, there's 1 minute. After that, the third entry, that is we have done for 7200, that is done. This one. We are left with 42 and he does not bring cash for that. So we have to pass a new entry, that is as capital account debited. सोनू's capital को हम क्या करेंगे? डेबिट करेंगे 4800 से, क्योंकि उतना पैसा नहीं ला रहे हैं. To A1's capital, to A1's capital account, to A2's capital account. 4800 into 1 divided by 3. तो ये कुछ 1600 आ रहा है और यहाँ पे 3200 आ रहा है. राइट, तो दिस कंप्लीट द होल वर्किंग. राइट, अभी तक का जितना पॉइंट है. नाउ लेट्स सी द स्टार्ट द सम. द फर्स्ट इज कैपिटल. So capital comes to partners capital credit side. So go to partners capital credit side, write down by balance brought forward 76,000 and 48,400 and dash. Then we can see it's workman compensation fund. What is it? Is accumulated profit and no point is there. So we can distribute in partners capital. Here we can write by workman compensation fund account and the amount is 4800. So 4800 into old ratio. Old ratio is not given to us. In that case, what we have to take? 1:1. So divided by 2. It comes 2400, 2400. Clear? Workman compensation fund. Then comes investment fluctuation fund. In that one point is there. When that point comes, at that time we can discuss. Now the point is related to provident fund. So we are not done this investment. I'm just putting a star. Provident fund is 100% what? Liability. So we have to go to balance sheet. So in balance sheet, the first thing we write is capital. And the partners are Asta, Ahana and Sonu. And then I write the point provident fund. And no tick mark is there. So dash outer column provident fund will come 6400. Then comes bad debt reserve. Now it depends on us where we have to take. If any point is there related to bad debt, we have to take. I don't think any point is there. So I am writing here only. Bad debt reserve. We can deduct from the debtor also. Bad debt reserve. Creditors, right? No point. Yes, creditors, one point is there. So creditors, inner column, it comes 12,000. One tick, one line. Bill payable, it also has 1 point. 6,000. One tick, one line. Now the asset I can see the first is goodwill. So what we have discussed? Goodwill we can write in partners capital debit side. Partners capital debit. So here we can write 2 goodwill. 8400. And which ratio? Old ratio. 1:1. So 8400 divided by 2. It comes 4200. 4200. Esme dash. Land and building. Now what is that? It's an asset. Land and building. It's an asset. Tick mark. Yes. One tick, one line. Then comes machinery. Machinery, I don't think any point is there. So machine we can write directly on outer column. Machine comes 32,000. Investment point is there. So I'm writing in inner column how much? 20,000. And the point is that is taken over, right? So I'm giving 2 lines, 3 lines. So let's see. Okay. After that, data's outer column 14,000 investment. Data's comes 25,200. Stock no tick mark is there, so outer column 16,000. Sorry, it's 14,400. Just 1 minute. Yes, stock comes 14,400, right? Sure. Then comes the topic. After stock, it comes cash. So cash account, right? Cash account debit side. Cash debit to balance brought forward. It comes 16,000, 16,000. Advertisement campaign expenditure, it is an accumulated loss. Accumulated loss. So to advertisement expenditure, that is also 1:1. 3,200. So 3,200, again we have to distribute in equal ratio, divided by 1,600, 1,600. Profit and loss, that is also accumulated loss. So to profit and loss account, that is also 1:1. 4,000 is given to us. So 4,000 divided by 2, it comes 2,000, 2,000. Now let's see the adjustment. Sonu will bring 80,000 as her capital. As her capital. So what we have to do? Cash account debit side to S capital. To S capital it comes how much? 80,000. And now we have to transfer to partners capital account. Partners capital account credit side. Partners capital account credit side by cash. In Sonu's column it comes 80,000. And 7,200 as share of premium for goodwill in cash. And for that, you remember we have passed the journal entry. So again, the first entry is cash to premium for goodwill. So here, cash account debited to premium for goodwill account. And that amount will come to you 7,200. And now we have to transfer. Here, by cash but premium for goodwill. Right? So how much? We have to see the journal entry. 2,400 and 4,800. So it comes 2,400 and 4,800. Okay. Then comes one more entry for, that is second point. New profit and loss ratio that we have done in the working. Goodwill is valued. For that, we will pass one more entry, that is this one. As capital account debited. Debit हुआ है, तो डेबिट में लिखेंगे टू A1's capital टू A2's capital. डेबिट हुआ है तो डेबिट में लिखना है आपको. A1 में हम लिखेंगे 1,600 और 3,200 और ये चीज हम ट्रांसफर करेंगे क्रेडिट साइड में. यहां लिखेंगे बाय एस कैपिटल 1,600 3,200. Ahana will take over. एक नया पॉइंट आया. नहीं, क्लेम ऑफ वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन एक्सेप्टेड एज हाउ मच 3,200 ऐसा बोला है. तो लायबिलिटीज में हम जाएंगे. इतना तो क्लियर है कि वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन फंड कितना देने को बोला है 3,200. अब लायबिलिटीज में देखो वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन फंड कितना है 4,800 है. उस 4,800 वी रिक्वायर ओनली 3,200. सो रिमेनिंग 1600 दैट वी कैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट, किसको देंगे? पार्टनर्स, यस, बाय वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन फंड। कौन सा रेशियो? 1:1, सो डिवाइडेड बाय 2। तो दोनों को हम कितना देंगे? 800 800। ठीक है, समझना है आपको? जितना पैसे की जरूरत है उतना लायबिलिटी में रखा, फिर हमने ट्रांसफर किया। आहना विल टेक ओवर इन्वेस्टमेंट एट 19,200। आहना 19,200 में इन्वेस्टमेंट लेके जाना है उसको। सो माइनस टेकन ओवर बाय आहना, 19,200 में लेके जाना, तो 800 का लॉस हो रहा है। लेकिन आपको याद रखना है, अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट रिजर्व दिया है तो ये भी उसी में से हम माइनस करेंगे, ऐसे होता है। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, ध्यान रखना। इन्वेस्टमेंट अगर लेके जाना है तो जो भी लॉस होगा, प्रॉफिट का तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लॉस होगा तो उसी में एडजस्ट होगा। अब टेकन ओवर बाय आहना, इन्वेस्टमेंट टेकन ओवर बाय आहना, तो लेके जाना है तो एंट्री क्या होगा? आहनास कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू इन्वेस्टमेंट, तो इसलिए डेबिट में आएगा। टू इन्वेस्टमेंट आहना के कॉलम में 19,200, ये गया। अब कितने का नुकसान हुआ? 800 रुपए का। अब नुकसान नहीं दिखा सकते क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हमारे पास, देखो मैंने बोला था, ऑलरेडी हमारे पास कितने का इन्वेस्टमेंट रिजर्व फंड पड़ा है? 1600 रुपए का पड़ा है। तो 1600 में से कितना यूज किया हमने? 800 रुपए, अभी भी 800 पड़ा है। अब वो किसका है? पार्टनर्स का है। इसलिए बाय इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व 800 रुपए को हम कौन से रेशियो में बांटेंगे? 1:1। सो इट कम 400 400। आगे बढ़ते हैं। एक्रूड इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट। एक्रूड इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब एक्रूड हुआ है तो फायदा हुआ, ये तो बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, हमने कई पैसे रखे थे उसका हमें इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है। कितना? 2400 फायदा है। इसका एक और आएगा बैलेंस शीट के एसेट साइड पे, इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, बराबर। ये हम लिखेंगे 2400। चलो, accepted bills payable of 2000 which is drawn by creditor but not recorded। किसने एक्सेप्ट? क्रेडिटर ने हमको दिया है, माइनस बिल्स पेएबल, बिल पेएबल ने हमको दिया है कितना? 2000। तो अभी हमारा क्रेडिटर कितना हो गया? 10,000। और बिल पेएबल में क्या करेंगे? प्लस न्यू एक्सेप्टेड, नया एक्सेप्ट किया हमने 2000, यानी हमारा नया बिल पेएबल कितना हुआ? 8000। समझना? लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग इज 20% लेस इज मार्केट वैल्यू। अभी नया पॉइंट है, वर्किंग में जाएंगे। लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग, क्या लिखा है? आई एम राइटिंग हियर मार्केट वैल्यू, बुक वैल्यू। अब देखो क्या हुआ है। बुक वैल्यू ऑफ लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग, बुक में जो वैल्यू है वो 20% लेस है, तो सिंपल है 20% लेस मतलब 80 और यहाँ पे 100। तो बुक में जो वैल्यू है लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग का वो कितना दे रहे हैं लोग? 40,000। तो मार्केट में उसका वैल्यू कितना? कैलकुलेट करो। 40,000 इंटू 100 डिवाइडेड बाई 80, ये बैठेगा आपका 50,000, 50,000। अब आपका लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग चेक करो है कितना? 40,000 है, मतलब 10,000 इसमें और ऐड करना पड़ेगा, प्लस इंक्रीज, क्या करेंगे? इंक्रीज कितना? 10,000। तो ये बैठ जाएगा 50,000, 50,000। अब यहां से हम ट्रांसफर करेंगे इसको, लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग में हो गया, ट्रांसफर करेंगे रिवैल्यूएशन क्रेडिट साइड, फायदा हो गया बाय लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग 10,000, 10,000। फिर लिखा है आउट ऑफ इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम पेड 40 फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर, ये भी फायदा हो गया, अगले साल के लिए भर दिया। तो बाय प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम, ये भी फायदा हो गया 4800। इसे भी ट्रांसफर करेंगे यहाँ पे बैलेंस शीट, यहाँ लिखेंगे प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम 4800, बराबर। तो ये हुआ अपना काम। Now we go and tally this particular sum. चलो तो रिवैल्यूएशन में आओ, रिवैल्यूएशन का टोटल करेंगे 2400 प्लस 10,000 प्लस 4800, it comes 17,200, राइट। यहाँ पे भी हम लिखेंगे 17,200 आया तो 2, राइट, किस में लेके जाना है, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल में लेके जाएंगे। दो जन का नाम आस्था आहना, रेशियो नहीं दिया है तो पता है ना आपको 1:1, 17,200 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 8600, इसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे हम बाय रिवैल्यूएशन के अकाउंट से आया 8600। चलो अब इसका टोटल करेंगे हम 76,000 प्लस 2400, अगेन 2400, 1600, 800, 400, 8600, total comes to 92,200। A2 में देखते 48,400, 2400, 4800, 3200, 800, 400, 8600, 68,600 और यहाँ पे 80,000। सामने भी लिखेंगे वही 92,200, 68,600, 80,000। अब माइनस करके गैप निकालो आप, 92,200 माइनस 4,200 माइनस 1,600 माइनस 2,000, 84,400, राइट। Yes, the total in mistake is there because we have taken workman compensation fund. Workman compensation fund I have distributed actually, right? But actually the point is what? The point is we have already taken, the point is there in the workman compensation 3,200, right? So after that you can see that workman compensation fund here also I have taken and here also I have taken. So 2 times I cannot take, right? So the mistake, it's come to my notice. Now again I have to do the total. It's 76,000, 2,400, 1,600, 800, 400 and 8,600. So it comes 89,800. So I will write here 89,800. Here also 89,800 minus 4,200 minus 1,600 minus 2,000. It comes 82,000 balance. Here we write 2 balance carried forward. In the same way, 48 direct also we can do 68,600 minus 2,400. So it comes 66,200. 66,200, and that we can deduct from this side. Minus 4,200 minus 1,600 minus 2,000 minus 19,200. So here it comes to us 39,200, and last one is 80. So 80,000 minus 1,600 minus 3,200, it comes 75,200. Clear? So now we go further. Now cash bank 16 plus 80 plus 7.2, it comes 1,03,200. Here also we write by balance carried forward 1,03,200. Total also In A1s we write the balance, that is 82,000. A2 we write 39,200, while here we write 75,200. Now make the total. 82,000 plus 39,200, 75,200. It comes 196400. And here we write cash balance. And how much we have get the cash balance? 103,200. Now let's see the total. Plus 6,400 plus 8,000 plus 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 3,200. It comes to total 2,32,000. Let's see on asset. 50,000, 32,000, 25,200, 14,400, 2,400, 4,800, and 103,200. Here also comes the same total, 2,32,000. Okay. So friends, in the next period, we are going to see the next question, that is 10th one, Vidit and Vishal. So hope you will practice question number 9 in a better way. Okay then, thank you, take care.